This video is sponsored by Zookeeper. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out about our giveaway and how your child can win a free custom book this Christmas. Happy Motivational Monday, everyone. I'm honestly basically this week doing some of the same rooms, and I may only be doing like a lot of my cleaning all in one day. But that's okay. I still wanted to just take you through some cleaning that I'm trying to get done before Thanksgiving. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. I need to get some bedding in my room changed over. I've got a load of towels to fold. I've got a load of kids' laundry to fold. I've got work uniforms to fold. Okay, so I wanted to share that because I've shown in a couple of videos. Yes, my husband has a laundering service through his work that also provides the uniforms. They provide them and launder them. However, since the beginning of 2020, they've been hit or miss on if they'll actually send usable uniforms back. There's several times we've sent uniforms to be repaired because they don't want us to do it. They want to do it themselves. They didn't repair them. So we are washing what we have of usable uniforms and hoping this is the week that they're going to give us more. But that's why you'll see me washing and folding uniforms and putting away on metal hangers. No, we don't use metal hangers except for uniforms because that's what they provide. So you're going to see that. I will include a clip right here. I did do a little bit of cleaning in the kitchen this week. There's been times that right now I can't film everything while I'm cleaning. So I did do some cleaning in the kitchen, cleaning the air fryer, cleaning, it may still be dirty again because like we used it almost immediately after I got it clean. Cleaned the air fryer, cleaned behind in the kitchen, did a little bit of cleaning in the laundry room, but mostly working out of my room, and I'm letting the kids have like 20 more minutes outside because it's the last beautiful day that we're supposed to have until spring. And then after this, it's gonna go into the winter temperatures. So letting them play, I'm gonna clean, and I'm gonna put on some music for you while we do super fast clean mode. video today, I decided to take a break from cleaning and get a few Christmas presents wrapped. I want to have a few things wrapped and set under this tree as soon as we get it set up. You also see us wrapping our Christmas box, which the kids will be opening before Christmas Day. So that's something that needed to be done anyways. But I wanted to go ahead and wrap a few presents to have under the tree. One of our favorite things to do is to either buy a book set or have actual books to give the kids for Christmas. Speaking of wrapping books for Christmas though, let's talk about today's sponsor and our giveaway. Night Zookeeper is an award-winning creative writing program where your children actually become a part of the story. They draw their own characters, make up a story of what the character does and how they interact with the other characters inside of the Night Zoo. One of my favorite things that my kids love to do is to make those custom characters, to see them come to life and interact with the other characters. While they're making these characters though, and while they're learning how to write these stories for these characters, they're also playing games along the way to learn how to use adjectives and adverbs and how to write better sentence structures. They get personal one-on-one feedback from actual editors who will read their projects and send them positive feedback. What I love about that as a mom is that every time an editor sends something to my child, I will get feedback immediately to let me see every bit of the conversation as it's happening. So now that we've talked about Night Zookeeper and how much fun my kids absolutely love bringing their favorite characters to light, let's talk about today's giveaway. Night Zookeeper is partnering with us, This Homeschooling Adventure, to introduce a new book that they are releasing called Night Zookeeper, Escape from Conformed Prison. This book will actually feature your child's drawn hero, and it will come to life through the reading of the book. It brings everything your kids are doing on the Night Zookeeper program and brings it to life in an actual book that they can hold with a picture of their character actually on the front cover. So, how does the giveaway work? To enter the giveaway, number one, please like and comment on this video to let us know that you're in. Please be a subscriber to our channel as well. The giveaway will be hosted on our Instagram account, so please follow our Instagram account as well. Once you have followed our Instagram account, please send us a picture of your child's drawing. Night Zookeeper has asked that your child's drawing be done in markers or paints to make it very vivid and make sure that all of the details are captured when adding your child's picture to the book. Once your child has drawn their character, have them pick a name for their hero, a special skill that they have, whether it be writing, singing, acting, drawing, gaming, dancing, whatever they want their character to be able to do to help the other animals in the night zoo. By signing up for this giveaway, you do agree that you have to provide This Homeschooling Adventure, who will not sell your personal information, your billing address, and phone number to be able to process the order. This giveaway is open to children ages 6 through 12. It will start immediately on Tuesday, November 23rd at 9 a.m. The last day to submit pictures for the voting will be on Tuesday, November 30th by 9 a.m. On Wednesday, December 1st at 9 a.m., we will open voting to where you and your friends can vote for your child's picture. The winner of the drawing contest will receive a free copy of Night Zookeeper: Escape from Conform Prison. For more information about Night Zookeeper and the creative writing program that they offer, every single video we have has a link for a 50% off of an annual subscription, and you can try it for free for 7 days. That is it for today's video. Like I said, I kind of wanted to mix a little bit of the Christmas wrapping to try to kind of transition from the cleaning for Thanksgiving to we are fixing to start getting ready for celebrating Christmas. Thank you again to Night Zookeeper for sponsoring this video. If I forgot any like little detailed information, there'll be like a written description of how to enter the giveaway in the description box below. We are so super excited to be able to offer a free book for your child this holiday season. That is it for now. Don't forget to send us those pictures through Instagram. I would prefer that you message them through Instagram because sometimes the pictures don't always come through on Gmail and they'll end up going to spam. They'll definitely come through on Instagram, especially if you are a follower of our page. So it's very important that please subscribe so that you'll get notification of when we do an update video about the giveaway. And please follow us on Instagram to make sure that your picture actually gets to us in time for the drawing contest. So as your kids are getting started on their drawings, we're gonna let you go for now, and we have one more video that will be out tomorrow, but if you missed that one, then happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you again on the Monday after Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.